Today I'm going to show you the proper use of the MEISINGER twist polishers. You can produce a beautiful finish without the use of paste or water. To preserve the life of your MEISINGER twist polishers, we recommend a speed between 8 and 12,000 RPMs with light to medium pressure. As you'll notice in this demonstration, holding the crown in my left hand, margin towards my thumb to protect it, the rotation of the polishing fingers or lamellea go along the margin or over the margin without doing any harm or damage to your margin. The polishers can be damaged when used improperly, either at too high of an RPM or in this case by not protecting the margin. With the margin turned outward and not protected by your thumb, this is an opportunity to flip the crown out of your hand and damage the twist polisher. For your ceramic materials, including emax, obsidian, Celtra Duo, feldspathic-based ceramics, and zirconia, the twist polishers come in green, blue, red, and yellow. After your initial milling, we're going to begin the smoothing process. We start with a green twist polisher. The twist polishers were specifically designed for easy access to the occlusal surface. As you can see in my demonstration here, I can easily move from the occlusal surface onto the buccal or lingual surface to blend in the finishes. I am also avoiding my contacts on this initial smoothing step. Next, we're going to move on to our blue twist polisher. Following the same sequence, going over the occlusal surface, the buccal and the lingual, and avoiding our contacts, this will produce a uniform matte finish over your entire crown. Next, we're going to use our red twist polisher. This is going to produce our initial shine. As you can see, we are creating our initial polish and bringing out the luster in the crown. At this stage, we will go ahead and pre-polish our contacts as well. The final stage is to go ahead and use the yellow twist polisher. This produces an incredible high shine on all surfaces of your restoration. For your composite-based materials, nano, ceramics, and hybrids, including Ceramart, Enamic, and intraoral composites, the twist polishers come in an umber and beige color. We'll begin with our umber colored twist polisher. This will do the initial smoothing and produce the initial pre-polish and matte finish for our restoration. Again, we will be working on the occlusal and facial surfaces while avoiding our contacts. Next, we go to our beige colored twist polisher. Again, polishing the occlusal and facial surfaces, and in this step we will go ahead and do the polishing on our contacts. As you can see, this produces a beautiful high shine for your composite restorations. Thank you for watching and enjoy your MEISINGER twist polishers.